Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting day at Charles R. Drew K-8 Center, where we are surpassing all expectations with 2020 vision. Please join me, Mrs. George McNeil, in saying the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may be seated. Today is Familiar Friday, and I know by now, boys and girls, you are familiar with signing into your portal, so please take a moment to do so. While you're in there now, let's continue our last day of iReady math testing. That's right, today is the last day of our diagnostic testing for math. You're doing very well, boys and girls. Keep up the good work. And parents, please remember our rules. Here they are. Please allow your child to do his or her own work. Teachers, are you missing students? Remember, Mr. Long and Mr. Clark are here to help you. Mr. Long will be taking care of students in grades K through 4, and Mr. Clark will take care of students in grades 5 through 8. And if you are still having problems with these students and you need further assistance, please see Ms. Shepard for more information. Boys and girls and parents too, we are concerned about your mental health, your state of mind. With that said, Miami-Dade County Public Schools has information just for you. You can find it on our web homepage at www.dadeschools.net. Look for the section on mental health awareness, and then click on the click here button section, and you will get more information. Also, here's the mental health calendar for the month of May. It's known as Mental Health Awareness Month. If you need more information, contact our counselors, Mrs. Bethune and Mrs. Schrozier Miller. Thank you. Today is a gloomy, wet, breezy, windy Friday. We also have a wind advisory until 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. today. So please check the weather on the television to make sure you are staying safe in your neighborhood. And it's going to rain all day long. So let's face it, it's raining in my neighborhood now. Yours, it may have started already or will start soon. So make sure you protect yourself. Today's word of the day is challenging. That's CHALLENGING. Challenging. Challenging is an adjective which means testing one's abilities or demanding. These are some challenging days we have experienced and will be experiencing while we are on quarantine, home because of the pandemic, and trying to cope and deal with our situation. Challenging. CHALLENGING. Congratulations, boys and girls in the middle school. We found out that we have some students of the week. So we do not have the list of names, but the middle school teachers have your names and your prizes. So congratulations to our middle school students for excelling in your studies. Continue to do your very best. If you are celebrating a birthday today or have celebrated a birthday during the week and this coming weekend, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and celebrate it to the fullest. How about a great website to check out? Well, here's one for you. DIY. This website is good for students in grades 3 through 8. It's called DIY.org. You will have an opportunity to make and create things that you can share, as well as build a portfolio of the items that you make. There's all kinds of wonderful things there for science, as well as to use your mind for math. Check it out, boys and girls. It's DIY.org. Our thought for today is a great day to learn something new. What have you been learning since you woke up this morning? Have you learned something about a delicious meal you ate? Cookie? Or you will be learning about something for lunchtime? Okay. As you read and do your eye ready, maybe you'll learn something new then. But try your best to learn something new today. Remember, there are 12 more school days remaining. 12 more. So if you have any assignments, boys and girls, that you have not completed, please check with your teachers because the grades must be inputted in time. So once again, your assignments are important as well as your grades. So please don't get caught trying to do all your assignments at the last minute. Please call your teachers or contact your teachers for more information. Remember, we are Rams, respectful, ambitious, model students and staff, and we shine all the time. Have a fantastic day and a wonderful weekend.